Hey everyone, it's Julie here with Tip Ranks. Today we're taking a look at 3 stocks that analysts have named their top pick for 2026. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. I hope you had wonderful holidays last week. As we gear up for the new year, we're starting to hear from some Wall Street analysts as they designate some of their top picks for the year ahead. So today, we're taking a look at 3 stocks that have been recently named top picks for 2026. We're going to see what these companies do, what's been going on with them recently, and of course, what these analysts predict for the stock's future. Right now, TipRanks has also extended their biggest sale ever for New Year's with 70% off premium subscriptions. So if you want to unlock some unique data-driven tools, now's the time to do so. Links will be in the description down below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel. Now let's dive right into these 3 stocks. First up, we're taking a look at Take-Two Interactive. They trade under the ticker TTWO, currently priced at $255 per share. The stock has gained 38% over the past year, and the last 3 months is down slightly at 0.8%. Take-Two is a leading developer, marketer, and publisher of interactive entertainment worldwide. They boast an unrivaled portfolio of critically acclaimed and commercially successful intellectual properties, including Grand Theft Auto, Red Dead Redemption, NBA 2K, and Borderlands. And their Rockstar Games is synonymous with groundbreaking design, immersive worlds, and high production values, consistently delivering best-selling titles that define industry standards. While they have faced some continued delays with the highly anticipated release of Grand Theft Auto 6, the company did come out with a solid earnings report at the start of November. They had both an earnings and revenue beat, plus saw record net bookings. Q2 earnings per share of $1.46 beat by 42 cents per share, and revenue climbed 31% year-over-year to $1.77 billion. Net bookings came in at $1.96 billion, marking the best second quarter in the company's history and significantly exceeding expectations. Their mobile segment also saw significant growth, with Toon Blast increasing 26% year-over-year. And just today, an analyst at Benchmark named Take-Two as their 2026 EDM top idea, citing the upcoming GTA 6 launch and the anticipated evolution of GTA Online into a multi-year super catalyst. Outside of GTA, fundamentals remain strong. They see a compelling setup that combines a generational franchise catalyst with improving underlying fundamentals. And it seems that other analysts agree. With 15 current ratings, Take-Two comes in as a unanimous strong buy. The average price target of $286 implies an upside potential of over 12%. Looking at those recent ratings down below, they range from a low-end price target with an upside of 7.5% to several high-end price targets with upsides of over 17%. Second on our list today is Reddit. They trade under the ticker RDDT, currently priced at $234 per share. Their stock has gained 36% overall in the past year, and the last 3 months is down 1.8%. Reddit is a social platform and online community known as the front page of the internet. It hosts over 100,000 plus user-created communities known as subreddits, where millions of people share links, images, videos, text posts, and discussions on every imaginable topic, from news and hobbies to niche interests, voting content up or down to determine visibility. Reddit benefits from this powerful network effect driven by millions of daily active users. The platform thrives on an immense and ever-growing library of user-created content spanning virtually every topic imaginable. They possess an extremely valuable and unique dataset of human conversation, opinions, and interests, which is highly sought after for training large language models and other AI applications. And looking at their key performance indicators, those daily active users are growing year over year and quarter over quarter, which helped drive significant revenue growth in their latest quarterly report, along with an earnings beat. Earnings per share of 80 cents beat by 27 cents per share, while revenue climbed 68% year over year to $585 million, beating estimates by nearly $35.5 million. They also achieved a targeted adjusted EBITDA margin of 40%, a profitability goal which was set at their IPO. Just last week, a Needham analyst named Reddit as a 2026 top pick and added the stock to their conviction list, saying that the firm is positive on the company having 100% human-created content, which optimizes trust, authenticity, and value to LLMs. They provided some more commentary just today, saying that the company is disproportionately cited inside AI answers, and citations are the new value driver for consumer discovery and navigation of the open internet. Analysts are a bit more divided on the Reddit stock. It comes in as an overall moderate buy with 12 buys and 7 holds. The average price target is $253, implying an upside potential of 8.4%. Looking at the most recent ratings, we do have a hold with a downside of 10%, but a high-end price target with an upside of nearly 39%. If you've made it to our third stock, then make sure you've hit that thumbs up button. Third on the list, we're looking at DoorDash. Trading under the ticker DASH or DASH, they're priced at $231. The stock has gained about 38% in the past year, but has fallen off recently, dropping about 14% in the last 3 months. I'm sure many of you are familiar with DoorDash as a leading American food delivery company, with their marketplace connecting customers with local restaurants, grocery stores, and other retailers for on-demand delivery via their app and website. DoorDash holds the largest market share in the U.S. food delivery industry, providing them with economies of scale, stronger bargaining power with restaurants, and a more recognized brand name among consumers. They've cultivated an unparalleled breadth and depth of restaurant partnerships, including exclusive deals with popular chains and a vast selections of local eateries. And taking a look at KPIs, we once again see a lovely chart of steady growth with both gross order volume and total orders. In fact, in their latest quarterly earnings report, they saw their 4th straight quarter of growth. But the company did come out with mixed results, which had a miss on earnings, and aggressive investment goals, which weighed on the stock. Earnings per share of 55 cents did fall 13 cents short of analyst expectations, while revenue grew to $3.4 billion, beating by $40 million and growing over 25% year over year. They said that their core business is continuing to do well, with growth exceeding expectations and EBITDA margins expected to be up slightly compared to 2025. And that was enough for Wedbush to name DoorDash their top mobility pick for 2026, noting that DoorDash is maintaining a leading position in U.S. food delivery while successfully expanding into new initiatives. Near-term margin pressure from elevated spending is expected, but these investments are seen as supporting long-term growth and a broader global total addressable market. DoorDash has 30 current analyst ratings and comes in as a strong buy with 24 buys and 6 holds. The average price target is $283, implying an upside potential of nearly 23%. Looking at the most recent ratings, they're basically all double-digit upsides here. We have to scroll back to November to find a hold rating with a downside of 11%, while more recently we have a high-end price target with an upside of nearly 43%. So that is a quick look at 3 stocks, all named as top picks for 2026. Let me know your thoughts on these companies, which one catches your eye the most, and what other stocks you're excited about for the year ahead. I always love hearing from you guys. Please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, so make sure you always do your own research and due diligence. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. I'll see you back here next time.